Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a stitch fix and my dog is moving my camera. I had to move my camera a little bit because of the dog. Yeah, so today we have a stitch fix. I'm excited. It's Friday, it's the long weekend. I'm excited. Stitch fix, styling service, pay $20 styling fee. They send you 5 items. More in the description below. You know what Stitch Fix is by now. So they send you the prepaid envelope, send it back, bam. I'm really hoping to not send anything back this time, you guys. I asked for more work stuff again because my last one only kept that one pink clover top with the stripes and the floral. My dog's over there. So yeah, let's take a look. You all know I already looked at my box. I can't help myself. But we'll read the styling note. My stylist is Allie, as always. I keep requesting her because she does a great job. Even though these last few boxes I haven't really kept a lot of things, she gets, she gets what I need. Hey Rachel, happy fix day. How have you been? I've been good. Busy. I have been so crazy busy lately. I cannot wait for fall and for things to slow down a bit. I'm so happy you love the floral striped combo in your last fix. Today I've really focused on finding some gorgeous pieces that resemble the items on your Pinterest. I asked her to look, I have like a workwear Pinterest board, so I asked her to look at that. I also kept price top of mind. Since things are starting to cool off a bit, I started you off with the super cute cheetah print top by Pink Clover. I saw quite a few cheetah prints on your Pinterest, so I hope you love this. I like my cheetah prints. It will look fabulous with jeans and booties this fall. Since you're also still on the hunt for work pants, I think the tinsel pair will be perfect. They're pull-on, high-rise, and on the cheaper end. Pair these with the Mix by 41 Hawthorn top for cute and easy look. What do you think, XO Allie? Yay! Okay. Ah, we gotta get that shot there. Look it! Whoa. So, I'm really excited. Everything is like super soft, as always. So let's tear into it. You guys, I also just got this top. I have this top. It is the Luck LUQ, the Rhee top, R-H-E-E. And I love it. I'll stand up real quick, show you. Look at it. It ties right there. Super cute. This is like the perfect color for fall. I also have it in the light pink and I have it in the white. And I just got this one today too from the like my items section on the app. I just noticed there might be like a little smudge or something on the shirt. Anyway, I just got it today. Anywho, let's get into the bundle. I cut my hair. I have ADD today. I'm so sorry. Did I also have lipstick on my chin? Haha. I cut my hair. What do you guys think? Well, I didn't cut it. My girl did, Lindsay. But anyway, back to the bundle. Look it! It's got the tie, like kind of twist in the front. It's like a mustardy yellow. It is so refocus. It is so soft, you guys. So super soft. 3/4 length sleeve. I can't wait to wear this. Like I am thinking this box might be a 5 for 5. I hope everything fits. So soft. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Denver front twist brushed knit top in mustard. So soft. I don't want to stop touching it. Also a Pink Clover. This one, Pink Clover, Madelene roll tab knit top in olive. So this one's kind of like the one I got last time, but it was a floral center and then striped sleeves. But it's got like a pocket there, which I ended up liking the pocket on the one from my last video. It's got the like suede on the pocket. And then it's got the suede on the arms there too. So that's pretty. I'm excited to try that one too. I'm so excited for fall. I just want fall things. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Let's see. This one is the PAPERMOON Patrise 3/4 sleeve open back knit top in navy, which that's really pretty too. It's got like red florals. That's really pretty actually. Kind of peach flowers, yellow. And then the back has that kind of cool cutout there. Wow, wow, wow. I'm sorry. I'm excited for that too. So, you guys, this is so soft. And you know what? My friend Megan, who I know I always shout out, and my friend Mari gets mad because I never shout out Mari. Hey, Mari! Anyway, Megan got this top in her fix like that she got today too. And we can be twinsies. Like, it's a cheetah, and then it has long sleeves, and then it has this cute little zipper detail there. And this is really soft too, so I'm excited about that. Where's the tag? Are you? Could it be? Exclusive. Pink clover. Everything's pink clover. That's why it's so soft. Pink, well, not everything. Pink clover, Amery side zip, brushed knit top in tan. But you know it's really the cheetah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't had a 5 for 5 in a long time. Okay, these are super cute too. Look at these polka dot pants for work. And they're pull-on. Well, they're kind of pull-on. So like by pull-on, I mean like no zippers and like no buttons. So maybe she just didn't get like, you know, the pull-on aspect, but that's okay. Zipper, it's got the zipper, it's got a button, it's got that tab thing, so it's definitely not a pull-on. Because that's 3 things you have to do to put your pants on. But that's okay. It's got the kind of fake pockets. Are they real pockets? No, they're fake pockets. Fake pockets on the back there. But those are cute too. Alright, let's get to trying on. What? I forgot to read the name of the pants. Tinsel, Carmel, printed, skinny, pant in black. Okay, so first is this shirt that I just had to highlight again because look at how cute! Love it. Okay, so here we have the cheetah shirt. I love it. Look at these cute zippers. They actually zip. So that's cute, you know, if you're having like Thanksgiving dinner and your shirt's a little too tight, you just open that back up. I really like it. It's so soft. It's got kind of like that crew neck right there. So like this part is a different material than the actual like cheetah print. It's so soft, you guys. I love it. I really love it. Okay, yay. It's Friday, did I mention? This one is adorable too. Now, as you saw in my last video, my pet peeve with like the pulling and seeing like the white underneath, this one doesn't do that. So that's good. And look at this back. Check it out. It's kind of sexy. Just a little bit. But I think you could still wear it to work. I'm so dancy today. I'm sorry. But I think you could still wear it to work. Even with that like lower back. Really like the floral on here. I think it's good for fall. It's kind of like the orangey, peachy, red, yellow. This one's a winner too. Here is this one. It's got the cute kind of suede pocket there like we saw before. It's a good length. I think this one would be good for over leggings, kind of like my one from my last video. If I were to wear this to work or something, I would definitely just like do a tuck or like tie it or something, just for some like more shape. Like I think that looks cuter already. But I really like this like olive green. It's really soft. It's got the cute button on the pocket there too. Actual pocket. I don't know what I would put in there, but you could put something. I don't know. Snickers. I don't know. A fun size Snickers. Yeah, I like this one too. I don't like it as much as the other two, but I still do like it. I think I might wear this one like a little more casually. Like I said, with leggings or something, but still cute. Still like it. Last but not least, might be the best, we got a twofer. I'm never taking this shirt off. Sorry, not sorry. Get the light there to get that yellow. I love this shirt. I love this shirt so much. So I have a version of this in short sleeve in purple and like a green and white stripe, but I like this 3/4 length a lot. Just watching my neighbor drive by. And look how cute these pants are. Look it. Look it. I say look it all the time. It's so annoying. Nice, cute. I like it. Someone's actually pulling in my driveway right now, so my dog's gonna bark. I love this top. Long story short, mixed by 41 Hawthorn. You did it. You really did it. Oh. Yeah. You guys, I think it's one of those. Alright, let's do recap. Let's go over prices. Again, sorry I'm a spaz today. Okay. Prices. I loved everything. I loved everything. Okay, the one thing that I just liked and didn't love was the one with the stripes and the green sleeves. But I still liked it. Not enough to deter me from keeping everything. Okay, so Tinsel Carmel printed skinny pant in black, $58. So, you know, they were really good quality. Okay. Pink Clover, Amery side zip brush knit and tan, which is really the leopard, $44. I'm gonna pay that. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn, Denver front twist knit top, blah blah blah, because it cut it off. In mustard, $38. Tell you what, on the app, if this is available in more colors, you know your girl's gonna be getting it because it is so soft. I love it. Pink Clover Madelene roll tab knit top in olive, $44. So like, if I didn't love everything else, I wouldn't keep. I guess I would keep it, but not for $44. So, PAPERMOON Patrise 3/4 sleeve open back knit top in navy, $38. So I like the $38 shirts. I don't know what it is about that $6 more for $44 shirts, but $38 just seems more reasonable to me. So my stylist pick subtotal $222. File discount 25% off, which was $55.50. Order subtotal is $166.50. Now, here's where I have to thank people, which I might put some like little thank yous up somewhere over here in text because I can't remember off the top of my head. But a few of you signed up using my referral code, and I really appreciate it. I hope you guys loved your fixes. I had my mom sign up too, and she kept a couple things, so she was happy. When you sign up, you can schedule. You don't have to pick a certain time to schedule. Like, you can schedule just on demand if you want. So like, my mom doesn't want to get them all the time. She can just go on there every few months or whatever and pick a date and schedule it. So, but to get your credit, you do have to sign up, take the style quiz, schedule your fix, check out from your first fix to get the credit, and then that's how I would get a credit too. But long story short, thank you so much for signing up under my referral. So right now, I have $125 in credits. Now this one's only showing $75 in credits because someone just checked out. Stitch Fix sent me a $50 referral code for like 48 hours after my last fix. So $166.50 minus $75 on here makes my box $91.50. But take another $50 off that, my box is only $41.50. So I mean, it would be dumb not to keep everything just because I loved everything except I only liked that one shirt. Thank you, Allie. Thank you, subscribers, for using my referral code for my $41.50 box. Someone else still needs to get their fix and check out, and then I think I'm getting another $50, so that's exciting. I hope everyone's gonna have a great Labor Day weekend. I think I might wear this shirt this weekend if it gets cool enough. I think it's supposed to be like high of 75, but it's been getting super like really cool at night. It's been like, I don't know, low 60s, mid 50s, high 50s where I am, so that's really cool. So coming up, another YouTuber, which you guys should check her out. Her name is Jill from What Jill Wears. She and I might be doing a collab together, so that's kind of cool. She had contacted me on Instagram, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's eyebrow06, EYEBROW06. That's my Instagram, so you can check me out there. I post, like, you know, some of my Stitch Fix outfits and things. But yeah, so she contacted me on there, and we might be doing like a collab video kind of thing. So more to come on that. We'll check it out. But again, thank you so much for watching. Use my referral code if you'd like to try out Stitch Fix. I think it's only like the regular $25 one right now. But check it out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like my video if you could. That would help me out a lot as well. Thank you. I always thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I know it gets annoying probably, but I can't keep track if I thanked you or not. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.